please see this fifth question. In fact, yes, fifth question, question number 5. 32.5 percentage of 8650 plus 58 percentage of 768 is equal to question mark plus 634.5. Right, question mark plus 634.5. First option 27863.29. Second option 2624.54. Third option 2623.19, and the fourth option 2622.19, and the last option is none of these. Now listen carefully, sir. Very good question. Once again, I told you sometime before, just before some time I told you the statement. Again, it's a very difficult question to solve. 32.5 percentage means by 100. So if I use that by 100 for the second term, it becomes 86.5. 32.5 into 86.5, it is not an easy multiplication. Again, 58 into percentage by 100, if I use it to this particular term, it becomes 7.68. First of all 32.5 into 86.5 is a time consuming multiplication. 58 into 7.68 is again a time consuming multiplication. You will get two decimals, add those two decimals, and then after getting a single value on the left hand side, you should subtract this 634.5. Finally you will end up with the answer. Again, it's a very difficult question. It's a very difficult question. Rather than saying it as difficult, it's a very time consuming question. Suppose, for example, I am the person who created this question for you in your examination paper. If I create this question for you in your examination paper, I created this question to look as a very difficult question. But definitely, I being an examination question paper setter, I will make it something else easy for you. Definitely, I will make something else easy for you. What might be that something else? That something else might be keeping only one option having the same digital sum. That may be one of the easy thing that I might help you, or keeping one option as digital sum matching. What is that? Unit digit matching. That might be the other case where I can help you, or I might keep a option where no option is matching and the answer might be none of these. I told you 5 minutes before itself. If the question is a very difficult question, 95% of the questions which are very difficult by nature in simplifying from the last 6 years observation is answer probably is none of these. Anyway, let us check it out, sir. 32.5%. Percent means by 100. 100 digital sum is 1. So 32.5 is 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10. 10 digital sum is 1 into 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 digital sum is 1 again. So this is plus 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 digital sum is 4 into 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 digital sum is 3. Right hand side it is question mark plus 6 and 3 cancels, 5 and 4 cancels. So digital sum on the right hand side is 9, or it is 0. So it is 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 digital sum is 4. 4 is equal to question mark plus 0. 9 and 0 both are same in digital sum. I already told. Answer digital sum should also be 4. Answer digital sum should also be 4. First option. 2 and 7 9 cancels. 6 and 3 9 cancels. 9 cancels. 8 plus 2 is 10. Digital sum 1. Not equal to 4. 2 plus 5 plus 4 9 cancels. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 digital sum is 5, not equal to 4. Ruled out. First two options are ruled out. 6 plus 3 9 cancels. Again this 9 is cancelled. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. It is not equal to 4. Ruled out. Again this 9 is cancelled here. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. This you are getting it as 4 in this case, right? This you are getting it as 4 in this case. So this might be the correct answer. Now I told you earlier, what is that which I told you earlier? If it is a very difficult question, most of the times your answer is none of these. But I also told you in this question that Yes, the examination paper setter probably will give you only one option which is matching. Yes, he is giving here. So answer is not none of this in this case. This might be the answer. This might be the answer. I believe the idea is very clear for you, sir. It should be very clear for you people. I know that these are the methods that you need to learn to make it very easy in simplification problems. Using all these methods, it is not that we are only traveling in one direction every time. It depends. It purely depends. Each and every time we might have to change the directions. For some of the question we might apply digital term. For some of the question we might apply some other logic. It all depends upon the numbers given in the question, and there is no one specific method if you want to solve a simplification question. If you are getting married to only one specific method, you cannot solve a simplification question. You might solve one question but not all the questions. I hope the idea is clear for you people. Divya, percentage has no significance in digital sum for the reason that, suppose for example, I have 90 percentage, Divya. 90 percentage you can write it as 90 by 100, and digital sum is 9. Right? 90 digital sum is 9. 1 digital sum is 1. Now if you convert to division it is like this. But 90 percentage can also be converted to decimal, right? As 9 by 10 or 0.9. 0.9 digital sum is also 9. So it does not have any significance. Ravi Kumar, keep do not asking the same questions. I told you already multiple times. 64 to the power of 2x into 128 to the power of minus x divided by 32 to the power of minus x by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of question mark plus x minus 1 by 2. Your answer options are 11x by 2 minus 1, 13x by 2 plus 1, 11x minus 1 by 2, 13x plus 1 by 2. Fifth option is none of these. Fifth option is none of these. Fifth option is none of these. See here, sir. Question is given in terms of variable x. Therefore, the answer options are also in terms of variable x. Best way of solving this question is put some value for x. Same value, put it in the answer options also. Whichever is satisfying, that should be the correct question. Right? Now see here, sir. Listen carefully. If I put x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 is 0, minus 0 is 0 in the power, minus 0 by 2 is 0 in the power. This also becomes 0. So you are left with any number to the power of 0 is 1. 64 power 0 is 1. 128 power minus 0 is 1. 32 power minus 0 is 1. Equal to 2 to the power of question mark minus 1 by 2. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 can be written as 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is equal to 2 power question mark minus 1 by 2. 0 is equal to question mark minus half. Your question mark will be equal to half. That means, can I say that when I put x value 0 in the answer options, I should get the value as half. If I get the value as half, that might be my correct answer. Check out with your answer options. If I put x 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, not half. X 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, not half. X 0, 0 minus 1 by 2, it is minus half, not plus half. Ruled out. X 0, 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. This should be the correct answer. Suppose there is another option. If it is option F, 11x plus 1 by 2. If I put 0 in this case, if I put 0 in this case, 0 plus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. Fourth option is also satisfying. Sixth option is also satisfying. In that case, what you might have to do is, you might have to take some other value for x. I already substituted x is equal to 0. What is the next value of x which I need to substitute? You might say that you should substitute x is equal to 1. But I will say that I will substitute x is equal to 2. Sir, why x is equal to 2? Why not x is equal to 1? Please see the question. Question has minus x by 2. If I substitute x as 1, it becomes minus 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 is nothing but square root. Why will I complicate the things by using square root? But if I put x is equal to 2, it becomes minus 2 by 2, so it becomes a whole number. That means can I say that 64 to the power of 2 into 2 is 4, 128 to the power of minus 2 divided by 32 to the power of minus 2 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of question mark plus 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Right, 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Further simplify, all the bases on the left hand side are powers of 2. It is 2 power 6 whole power 4. It is 2 power 24, right, 2 power 24. 2 power 7 whole power minus 2. It is 2 power 7 into minus 2 minus 14. 2 power 5 whole power minus 1. 2 power minus 5. 2 power question mark plus 3 by 2. Can I further simplify, sir? This will be coming as 2 power minus 14 divided by 2 power minus 5 is, you will get it as 1 by 2 power 9, right, 1 by 2 power 9, or in other words 2 power minus 9 into 2 power 24 is equal to 2 power question mark plus 3 by 2. 2 power 24 minus 9 is nothing but 15 is equal to question mark plus 3 by 2. So 15 is equal to question mark plus 3 by 2. You will get the value of question mark as 15 minus 3 by 2, which is 27 by 2. Now you have only two options which are satisfying. Option D is 13x plus 1 by 2. Option F is 11x plus 1 by 2. Suppose if I put x value to 13 into 2 is 26 plus 1, 27 by 2. Yes, it is satisfying. If I put x value 2 here, 11 into 2, 22 plus 1, 23 by 2. It is not satisfying. Therefore, fourth option is correct. I am checking or doing x is equal to 2 case only if two options are satisfying. If two options are not satisfying, there is no need for you to do all these things. Directly x is equal to 0 will help you out. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Idea should be very clear in solving this varieties of problems. Now please see this question. This is your original question which came in IBPS examination in 2013. Original IBPS examination question which came in 2013. See this question. 34.5 into 14 into 42 divided by 2.8 divided by 2.8. Listen carefully, sir. I am not giving the answer options in this case, because if I give you the answer options, you know how to solve it. You can apply digital sum, you can apply unit digit. Yes, there are multiple ways. We already solved so many questions by using answer options. Let us solve some questions by not using answer options also. Let us see how best we can solve it. Now see here, first thing is, I don't like a decimal, right? I don't like a decimal. And second thing is, I don't like a division. First thing you should remember, whatever you don't like, you should start liking it, right? Whatever you don't like, you should start liking it. That means I should make sure that I will not have decimal, so that I will start loving that number. I should make sure that nothing should be there in the denominator, or division should not be there, so that I will start loving that again. So what I will do is, this 2.8 is actually written like this in the denominator. The 2.8, ignore remove the decimal. If I want to remove the decimal, I will multiply by 10. Then it becomes 28, right? It becomes 28 if I multiply by 10. Numerator also I will multiply by 10, right? I will multiply by 10. I believe the idea is clear for you, right? Numerator also I will multiply by 10. Now see here, again same logic. Can I again say that I told you sometime before that you should start sharing things, you should start distributing things, so that it becomes easier. Can I say that 28 is there in the denominator, 14 is there in the numerator. With this 14, if I have another 2, it becomes 28. So write it as 2 into how much it is, sir? 21. 2 into 21. No need to write each and every step and waste your time. Cancel this 28 with 28. Now I made my simple problem very simple. Left out things are 34.5 is left out. 21 is left out, along with the extra 10 is left out. 21 into 10 is 210. But I also told you that whenever the number is ending with 5, double it, right? Whenever the number is ending with 5, double it. 34.5, if I double it, I will get 69. But if I double one of the number, I should half the second number. Why? Because this can also be written as 34.5 into 2 into 210 divided by 2, right? That is what I said. If you double one number, you should half the second number to make sure that it is correct. So 69 into 105, 69 into 100 is nothing but 6900 plus 69 into 5 is left. Again, when I told you that don't multiply by 5, multiply by 10. So it becomes multiply by 2, multiply by 2, right? You need not write multiply by 2, multiply by 2 always. Directly say it as 690 divided by 2, right? That is how fast you should be. 690 divided by 2. Finally, 6900 plus 690 divided by 2 is 345, sir. 345 plus 6900 is 7245. You should be very fast in simplifying in the first step itself, and write down few steps. Don't write each and every step. This step is not required. This step is not required. This step again 2 by 2 is not required. There are multiple steps which you can ignore and get the answer very fast. I believe the idea is clear for you people.